Not very many organizations have really gone into the profundity of tending to the interoperability gives that present different bottlenecks for the exchanging local area. Welcome to the decentralized money new symbol of Bitcoin. Bitcoin SV. Bitcoin SV gives less expensive and lightning-quick exchanges, taking out the intricacies associated with the decentralized environment. Before we dive into the Bitcoin SV cost expectation, let us view a portion of the special highlights of Bitcoin SV. Bitcoin SV, displaying an unrivaled exhibition. Bitcoin Money is the second biggest fork of the Bitcoin organization, and from that point onward, there was one more fork in November 2018, Bitcoin SV. It was made to re-establish the first Satoshi convention, keep it stable, and scale greatly. As a guileless participant in 2018, not many individuals knew about Bitcoin SV and were a little troubled in exchanging BSV. The critical benefit is that you can execute rates as the organization extends, adding to a remarkable expansion in the quantity of diggers, upheld by a hardy and high data transfer capacity public blockchain stage. Bitcoin SV has tended to the openness issues, setting up a cross-breed agreement component. A one-of-a-kind element is that it can trap deceitful or misleading exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block is fit for following the previous block. Bitcoin SV depends on cryptographic techniques that are dependent on zero exposure proof and numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message on the other party associated with the exchange. A remarkable trademark that hangs out in this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and guarantees lightning-quick speed of exchanges on the organization. This noticeable characteristic makes it exceptional contrasted with other Ethereum-based decentralized finance conventions and, simultaneously, lays out a plenty of mining roads. Bitcoin SV establishment, acting mindfully. The additions from the Bitcoin establishment additionally present to BSV the local area benefits. Through this channel of establishment, the stage gets generous commitments and a flourishing number of individuals. The Bitcoin SV designers additionally have progressed highlights like conceptualizing thoughts on this stage that advance dynamic conversation on BSV. When supported, the engineer group tests out the thought and redirects it to raising assets for the local area. The stage likewise includes workgroups made by individuals sharing their encounters and assisting you with understanding the functionalities better. Bitcoin SV value. Following the verifiable investigation. No big surprise, the historical backdrop of Bitcoin SV has been sensibly strong. With Bitcoin dashing up to turn into a public decision in 2019, it gave energy to this coin likewise, and its cost contacted a high of $95. The Great Assembly went on with minor rectifications. Afterward, Bitcoin SV showed a gigantic retreat in the period of September 2020. Another significant explanation was that the area offered other option and expanded venture choices to Bitcoin and other computerized resources. So while some money resources hit all-time highs of $70, BSV was all the while battling, showing an eagerly awaited obstruction at $100.28. BSV highlighted quickly returning, getting forward movement at $120.20 notwithstanding the pandemic in 2020. Afterward, in 2021, Bitcoin SV has denoted an unequaled high of $491.64. In any case, subsequent to hitting ATH, the BSV cost fell steeply towards $100 mark. Furthermore, as of now, it is exchanging beneath the $50 mark throughout recent months. BSV as a token has been making dynamic developments in the digital currency market, recorded on most of trades. The symbolic shows a market capitalization of $849,251,566.84 and is presently having a volume course of $46,641,514.92 on the lookout. In the beyond 24 hours, the cost of the token has weighted around $44. The specialists have fluctuated sentiments with respect to the BSV cost expectation for what's in store. In light of the BSV cost forecast, a drawn-out rectification is normal. The cost guess for 1 year is around $3.90. In the start of 2023, the BSV cost may be exchanging around $25.46. Most extreme cost $28.87. Lease cost $25.09. The normal for 2023 will be around $26.60. Bitcoin SV cost estimate toward the finish of 2023 will be around $26.98. There is a decent opportunity that Bitcoin SV 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost, yet it is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal most extreme $200.99 level. Bitcoin SV is anticipated to arrive at an untouched high of $196.24 or $200.99 in 2026, and it very well may be the time of Bitcoin SV. BSV coin value expectation 2023. The year's end 2023 could offer a buy-to-all negative and cynical cost patterns for the universe of digital currency, particularly for BSV. It could mean the beginning of a time of expectations and commitments brimming with idealism. The esteemed resource would ascend to a future cost of any place between the scope of $40 to $60 according to our Bitcoin SV conjecture. Bitcoin SV value figure 2024. In the realm of digital forms of money like BSV, there could be a figure of supernatural occurrences, and there could be wizardry in the present moment as well. According to specialists, Bitcoin SV expectations, 2024 may mean a blast time for Bitcoin SV. Master financial backers of digital currencies generally plan for the long haul as opposed to the present moment. It wouldn't be a misrepresentation that the BSV cryptographic money could break every one of the obstructions and endure everyday hardship, scaling a pinnacle cost of $90. Bitcoin SV value expectation 2025. With a touch of persistence in keeping the expectations high in the long haul, financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2025 as the reception of BSV would develop dramatically. By when Bitcoin SV might be a carefully prepared player. As per our BSV cost forecast 2025, the coin could arrive at above $110 with least and greatest value levels of $105 and $118 separately. BSV expectation 2026. In light of the BSV cost gauge, the Bitcoin SV coin could change the pattern from the outset towards the year's end. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for coalitions in this year 2026. New organizations would bring Bitcoin SV to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for speculations and a socially regarded digital money cost fixed at $129. Bitcoin SV expectations 2027. According to the BSV cost figure 2027, the cost of Bitcoin SV is anticipated to cross $150. Before the year's over, Bitcoin SV is supposed to arrive at the very least expense of $146, and the BSV coin holds potential to cross a greatest degree of $156. Bitcoin SV value expectation 2028. In view of the Bitcoin SV cost forecast 2028, the BSV cost is anticipated to cross $165 by year's end. In the interim, Bitcoin SV cost is supposed to arrive at any rate level of $158 this year. The greatest cost might reach $168. BSV coin value forecast 2029. By the start of 2029, the cost of Bitcoin SV could reach $180 according to the BSV expectation. During the year, the BSV cost could cross the most extreme degree of $195 before the year's over, while the base cost level around $179. Bitcoin SV value forecast 2030. Out of 2030, Bitcoin SV is supposed to exchange around the $200 during the year, as indicated by BSV cost expectation 2030. Toward the finish of 2030, Bitcoin SV's base cost is supposed to be around $198. Furthermore, BSV can arrive at a greatest value level of $218. Toward the finish of 2030, Bitcoin SV will have a typical cost of $216. Is BSV crypto a wise speculation? Bitcoin SV can be a productive speculation choice. The cost approaches $44 right now, yet financial backers should take care of